is the result of National Achievement, Test 2014, wherein we are belong to the second placer of the district. And then volleyball girls and boys constantly, our school is always champion in that event during Palarong Bicol up to the national level. And then in academic, we have also several pupils we sent to other different contest level, especially in district, the school level, and the division. And then uh, in our physical facilities, we are very proud that we are the recipient of one school building. We call that Early Childhood Care and Development from uh, DSWD. And then we are also a recipient of DepEd computerization. So that's all. Thank you very much.